Hello, world. My name is Jamar Taylor. I am a cybersecurity major with over 20 years of experience in computer network and IT systems. I'm going to talk about computers today. What is a computer? Computer is a machine that is programmed to automatically carry out sequences and arithmetic and logical operations, and what we call computation. Looking at the evolution of computers, it started with the abacus, which is a calculating tool used back in the 1800s, which is credited to Charles Babbage. When it comes to human computers, these are someone who perform highly complex mathematical calculations. And I like to give credit to three African American women that worked at NASA, which were called human computers, to allow space travel. Ms. Katherine Johnson, Mrs. Dorothy Vaughan, and Mrs. Mary Jackson. I get my information from studying books, attending courses and venues such as Cisco, CompTIA, other IT organizations, YouTube, though I'm not going to say it's credible, but it has a lot of good information. You have UMGC, which is where I am obtaining my degree, and I was an instructor for 6 years. I chose this topic because I feel most people know how to work a computer, but not understand its inner workings and what they do. When it comes to hardware, the purpose is to enable you to perform major functions such as input, output, storage, communication, processing, and more. And when it comes to software, these are programs that are needed to accomplish the input, processing, output, storage, and more. And when you put those two together, you have data processing. And pretty much all that is saying is to take all the information that is input into the language of the computer and projects it out onto a screen or a printer or anything else to make it usable information. Just to give you some things on the computer when it comes to devices, I will show you some input devices so you'll have a better understanding. These are things that are being input into the computer. You speak into the microphone, you click to enter something, and you type into the keyboard and you press enter. And what does it do? It goes in, which is inputs the information, and it spits it out on a monitor, which is an output device. Here are two devices two operating systems that we currently use that you know. You have your Mac iOS, and then you have your Windows OS operating system. Here, this is called a RAM card. All right, this is a DDR4 RAM card, which is random access memory. And what it basically does is help you remember things that you've clicked on currently. Say if you're working on something and you need to bring it back up, it brings it up very fast. All right, and that pretty much helps you in the process. You have your graphics card, which is the card. You've probably seen these outlets on the outside of your computer. And this is pretty much a graphics card that's inside of your computer and allows you to use video to see the output. Here are your different type of drives: your hard drive, hard disk drive, and your hybrid. Those are just a few things that we delve into, and hopefully that you're pretty much learning all of this. And I wanted to bring this to your attention so as a world we start to understand more is more than what meets the eye. Hopefully you learned something. Thank you.